Today we are going to Barakpur. The name Barakpur may have originated from the English word barracks, as it was the site of the first cantonment of the British East India Company. Alternatively, the Aini Akbari suggests that the name comes from Barbakpur. Barakpur is a city and a municipality of urban Kolkata of North 24 Parganas district in the Indian state of West Bengal. If you come to Barakpur, you must visit Nabadurga Mishtanno Bhandar. It is the oldest sweet shop in this city, and the sweets are really very good. And if you visit in the morning, you must try their kachori and potato curry. And their Rashbhara Sandesh is very good. চলো। A beautiful Annapurna temple is like that of the famous Dakshineshwar temple is situated in Talpukur, Barakpur. This temple is dedicated to goddess Annapurna. It is situated at the sides of the Ganges. The inauguration of this temple was took place on 12th April 1875 in the presence of Ramakrishna Paramhansadev. This temple was made by the youngest daughter of Rani Rashmani. Visitors like Sri Ramakrishna Paramhansa, Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore and Mahatma Gandhi have visited this city. The Gandhi Ghat is located on the east bank of the Hooghly. The first British barrack or cantonment in India was built in the town in 1772. After the British Crown assumed direct control of India, the sprawling government house and the government estate were built in Barakpur to provide the viceroy with a suburban residence 15 miles outside of Calcutta. Barakpur was home to a number of significant members of the Indian independence movement, many of whom have memorials in the subdivision. Surendranath Banerjee, who was called the father of Indian nationalist movement, lived in Barakpur. There is a college after his name. The house of Surendranath at Monirampur of Barakpur has been converted into the Devananda Mohavidyalaya and Netaji Subhash Open University. In 1857, Barakpur was the scene of an incident that some credit with the starting the Indian Rebellion of 1857. An Indian soldier, Mongol Pandey, attacked his British commander and was subsequently court-martialed. His regiment was disbanded, an action which offended a number of sepoys and is considered to have contributed to the anger that fueled the rebellion. In order to commemorate his actions, a park named Shahid Mangal Pandey Udyan was opened in the serenity of river Hooghly. We enjoyed the famous Dada Baudi's biryani at Barakpur. Gandhi Memorial Museum. This museum came up at Barakpur in 1961 and the actual work was subsequently started to make it a zonal museum for the eastern states of West Bengal, Assam and Odisha. The museum has a very rich collection of originally used articles of Mahatma Gandhi, his original letters, a huge number of photographs concerning Gandhiji and different phases of Indian freedom movement, sculptures, paintings, films, disc records of patriotic and devotional songs, and a rare collection of tape recorded reminiscences of illustrious personalities who came in contact with Gandhiji. Historically, the town was military and administrative center under British rule and was the scene of several acts of rebellion against Britain during the 19th century. The oldest cantonment in India and the police training academy in West Bengal are both located in Barakpur.
ক্যাম্প বা পুলিশ ব্যারিকেড আছে আমাদের বিএসএ বা আর্মি, এদের প্রচুর ক্যাম্পগুলো আছে গঙ্গার পাড়ে। তাদের এছাড়াও আমাদের মঙ্গল পাণ্ডে, শহীদ মঙ্গল পাণ্ডে, যিনি 1857 সালে শহীদ হয়েছিলেন এখান থেকে আন্দোলন করে, তার ঘাটটা আছে। এছাড়া আমাদের গান্ধী ঘাট আছে যেটা খুব বিখ্যাত। আমাদের দুটো কলেজ আছে ব্যারাকপুরে। এছাড়া আমরা জানি যে আমার বিখ্যাত ব্যারাকপুর আমাদের দাদা বৌদি বিরিয়ানির জন্য। এছাড়াও আরও ছোটো ছোটো অনেক কিছু আছে, কিন্তু মূলত যে বিষয়গুলো বললাম এটাই ব্যারাকপুরের একটা ঐতিহ্যশালী গঙ্গার ঘাট ধরে। খুব ভালো কাটলো আজকে একঘেয়েমি থেকে।
সবাই রাজা, আমরা যা খুশি তাই করি, তবু তার খুশিতেই চলি। আমরা নই বা নই দশের রাজা, দশের দাসত্বে নইলে মধ্যে রাজার আমরা সবাই রাজা, রাজা সবার দেন মান, সে মান আপনি ফিরে পান, মোদের খাটো করে রাখেন কোনো অসুখে, নইলে মোদের রাজার সাথে। আমরা সবাই রাজা, আমরা চলবো আপন মতে, শেষে মিলব তারির পথ, মোরা মরব না কেউ বিফলতার বিষম আবতে, নইলে মোদের রাজার সাথে মিলব কি সাথে। আমরা সবাই রাজা।